Okay, guys. The next one is pay interest.
This means you pay extra money when you borrow money.
Like when you get a loan from the bank. Listen and say the lines with us. Say it out loud.
Why is your loan so expensive?
Because I have to pay interest every single month. Hey everyone, welcome back.
Today, we have super useful collocations and daily phrases for you.
Yes, they start with the words take and pay.
You'll hear them all the time in daily English.
We'll explain each one and then you'll practice with us.
Shadowing time, guys. Let's go.
Okay, guys, let's learn. Pay a fine.
This means you give money because you did something wrong.
Like parking in the wrong place or driving too fast.
Nobody likes it, but sometimes we have to.
Right, everyone?
Now, try to say it with us. Let's go.
Why do you look so sad today?
I parked in the wrong place and had to pay a fine. Hey, you can't park here.
Oh no, really? I don't want to pay a fine again. Nice. Let's move on to the next one.
Here's another useful one. Pay attention.
This means you listen or look carefully.
Like in class or when someone is talking to you.
It's really important, right, guys?
Hey everyone, this one is super common. Go to the comments and write a sentence with pay attention. For example, I pay attention in class. We want to read your sentences.
Okay, now listen and repeat with us. What did the teacher say about the homework?
I don't know. You need to pay attention in class. Sorry, can you say that again?
Come on, please pay attention when I talk.
Great. Ready for the next one?
Next up is pay by credit card.
We use this when we pay with a card, not with money.
It's really common in shops, restaurants, and online.
Yeah, super easy and fast.
Your turn. Say the lines with us. How would you like to pay today?
I don't have cash, so I'll pay by credit card. Do you have money on you?
Not much, but I can pay by credit card here. Awesome! Next one, guys.
Okay, time for pay cash.
This means you pay with paper money or coins.
Some places only take cash, not cards.
Yeah, it's good to have some with you.
Guys, you'll use this one every day. Go to the comments and practice. Write your own sentence with pay cash. For example, I want to pay cash today.
Shout time. Repeat everything you hear.
Do you take credit cards here?
No, sorry. You have to pay cash at this shop.
How do you want to pay for it?
I have money with me, so I'll pay cash. Amazing job, everyone.
Nice. Let's move on to the next one.
Okay, guys. The next one is pay interest.
This means you pay extra money when you borrow money.
Like when you get a loan from the bank.
Right. The bank gives you money, but you pay interest on top of it.
So you always give back more than you borrowed. Now it's your turn. Listen and say the lines with us. Don't be shy. Say it out loud. I want to buy a car, but I don't have enough money.
You can get a loan, but you'll have to pay interest.
Why is your loan so expensive?
Because I have to pay interest every single month. Nice! Let's move on to the next one. Nice! Let's move on to the next one.
All right, our next phrase is pay the bill.
We use this when we give money for something we received.
At a restaurant, or for electricity, water, internet.
Yeah, every month there's always a bill to pay.
Okay, everyone, listen and repeat with us. Come on, you can do it. Wow, the food was delicious tonight.
It was, but hey, we still need to pay the bill. Oh no, I think they turned off the internet.
Maybe because we forgot to pay the bill this month.
Great. Ready for the next one?
Here's another useful one. Pay the price.
This means you suffer because of a bad decision.
It's not always about money. It's about the result of what you did.
Like if you don't sleep enough, you pay the price the next day.
Exactly. Your body feels terrible. Shadow time. Repeat everything you hear. Oh man, I ate way too much last night at the party.
Well, now you're going to pay the price today.
I didn't study at all for the exam yesterday.
Oh, that's not good. You'll pay the price when you see your grade. Amazing job, everyone.
Great. Ready for the next one?
Okay, guys, let's learn take an exam.
We use this when we do a test at school or for a job.
Like when you sit down and answer questions on paper.
Right. You can also say, take a test. It's the same idea.
Super common in English, right, guys? Now it's your turn. Listen and say the lines with us. Don't be shy. Say it out loud. I'm so nervous today.
Why? What's happening?
I have to take an exam.
Are you free tonight?
No, sorry. I need to study.
Oh, do you take an exam tomorrow?
Nice. Let's move on to the next one.
All right. Our next phrase is take a course.
This means you join a class to learn something new,
It can be online or at a school.
like a cooking course, a language course, or a yoga course.
So many options, right everyone?
Okay, now listen and repeat with us.
I want to learn Spanish.
Cool. You can take a course online. What are you doing this summer?
I'm going to take a photography course.
Great. Ready for the next one? Here's another useful one. Take notes.
We say this when we write down important things.
Like in a class, a meeting, or a video.
Yeah, it really helps you remember things later.
Shadow time. Repeat everything you hear.
This lesson is hard.
I know. You should take notes.
Do you remember what the teacher said?
Yes, I always take notes.
Awesome! Next one, guys.
Okay, time for take a break.
We use this when we stop and rest for a short time.
Maybe from work, from studying, or from exercise.
Even 5 minutes can help a lot, right, Jack?
Totally. Everyone needs a break sometimes.
Hey everyone, this phrase is everywhere in English. Write a sentence with it in the comments. For example, I need to take a break. We'll check them out.
Your turn. Say the lines with us.
I'm so tired.
Come on, let's take a break.
You look stressed.
Yeah, I need to take a break. Amazing job, everyone.
Great. Ready for the next one?
This means you try something, even when you're not sure.
Maybe it's risky, but you do it anyway.
Right. Sometimes good things happen when we take chances. Now, try to say it with us. Let's go.
Should I apply for the job?
Yes, take a chance.
I'm scared to ask her out.
Come on, take a chance. Nice. Let's move on to the next one.
Now, let's talk about take a taxi.
We say this when we get a taxi to go somewhere,
It's useful when you're in a hurry or it's far.
or when it's raining and you don't want to walk.
Exactly. Right, everyone?
Okay, everyone, listen and repeat with us. Come on, you can do it. The bus is so slow today.
Let's take a taxi. How did you get here?
I took a taxi. It was faster.
Great. Ready for the next one?
Next up is take a seat.
We use this when we ask someone to sit down.
It's polite and friendly.
Yeah, you hear it a lot at offices, restaurants, or waiting rooms.
Your turn. Say the lines with us. Hi, welcome to our office.
Hello, thanks for having me.
Please take a seat.
Come in, come in.
Thank you so much.
Take a seat, please.
Awesome. Next one, guys. Let's jump into take a rest. This means you stop and relax for a while. Kind of like,
Take a break, but a bit longer.
yeah, maybe you lie down or just sit quietly.
Guys, this phrase is everywhere in English. Write a sentence with it in the comments. For example, I need to take a rest. We'll check them out.
Shadow time. Repeat everything you hear. You worked so hard today.
I know. I need to take a rest. Are you okay?
I'm tired. I'll take a rest. Nice job. One more coming up. Okay, time for take action.
This means you do something about a problem.
You don't just talk, you actually do it.
Right. When there's an issue, it's better to take action fast.
Now it's your turn. Listen and say the lines with us. Don't be shy, say it out loud. The park is so dirty.
We should take action. My computer is really slow.
You need to take action now. Amazing job, everyone.
See you in the next video. Bye-bye.
Bye.